Start the recording. I'll take a class library. I'll call it as EfDal. I added the library. Now what am I doing on this EfDal? Okay, I'm just adding the EfDal. Right, gentlemen, help me please. I'll take the data section in the library. Right, I'm taking ADO.NET Entity Data Model. I'm just adding what things were already existing, right? I'm just trying to add the same thing into my library. Employee add कर लो, ये तो हो गया. Is that fine? अरे यार, चले आगे. So this is your, now I'll get into your class. I don't want to type everything again, so I'll grab it from here. कौन सा वाला? सब कुछ. This will be a CDAL. Okay, so you'll have your interface, IDAL interface, you'll realize, right? Okay, so whatever you were doing, right, IDAL you'll realize. And here आपका methods हो जाएगा. Okay, so select हो जाएगा. Insert. तो insert हो गया या delete हो गया. So कुछ मदद करो मुझे यहाँ पे. This is going to be update, right? Okay, now we'll change it accordingly. Help me, gentlemen. What is that you people are going to do here is pretty simple. Excuse me. See here, it's a library. So you are going to return employee array. Right? You're going to return employee. So I don't require this. Right? Is that fine? So we're just returning that list of, we don't want to loop through this. Okay. And this is going to return what? IEnumerable, right? The problem is if I type little extra, you people are losing interest. Okay, I'm just returning this. It should be fine. So when you want to insert, what is it you're going to pass now? When you want to insert, you're going to pass this, right? Okay, the other steps I'll remove from here. We just want this much. Is it fine? You all are there? That is for insert. Delete, you're just going to get an ID, and I'm going to tell its ID. Rest everything remains same for you. Is that clear? Okay. Update, you have to get the object. And here you'll tell it is emp dot employee ID. Oh, both are emp there. This is a parameter. Right, gentlemen? I think everything is clean here. Name, and I have to also bring your department. emp dot employee department. Is it fine? Just have a look at this once. But I'm not sending any acknowledgement true or false there. So I'll remove this console.write line. The job is done. So we'll assume everything is working fine for you. Okay, I think it's neat, clean and crisp. The things which are not necessary, I'll remove. Should be fine, guys? Everything is fine? You all are there? Ah, wonderful. That's all. It is more than enough. That interface and all those you people bring. Whatever you people knew already, you just bring it. That's more than enough. So I'll go to View Solution Explorer. I'll ensure that I build this. It's ready. Now, shall I use the same consumer? I'll create a new consumer. Better create a new consumer. You'll new project. I'll take a console application. I will call it as console app EFDAL consumer. Right? Right. Now what we'll do is we will add a reference of EDAL. Okay, so it is CDAL. What I want to use is CDAL. DAL is equal to new CDAL. And here, what is it you're getting? Equal to DAL dot select, right? So similarly, you can send the other things. Okay, I'm not going to show everything for you here. Where is it? Array dot for each. It was in this consumer, right? Should be fine. Okay, so this is a new consumer. Okay, this is a DAC. This one, right? Set a startup project. DAG bang entities could not be found. What is that error? So DAG bang entities, what it's searching for is, when I created this DAL in the app config, you had this connection string DAG bang entities, right? We are supposed to have that in the application folder, application config, which is your application config. Your app config is here. In this app config, you require it. Right, guys, let us build it and run it again. Got it? So whichever application is going to host that library, that should have what? The entries for connection strings. Is that clear, gentlemen? I'll stop the recording.